So much snow. We can't get enough of it on Oceanbites. This year, we've had 4 great posts focus on marine snow. Marine snow is a cluster of particles, like feces and organic bits, that stick together and sink through the water column. Marine snow is small, about the size of a pencil eraser, and is important for transporting nutrients from the surface to the deep ocean. In Snowmageddon, a lighthearted start to marine snow, we learn about the potential caveats of delivering material from the surface to the deep. The author of this post begins with his personal experience with marine snow-related food poisoning from eating oysters. Marine snow can pose a problem to oysters and other filter feeders because it enhances the delivery of potential harmful matter to the sea floor, where the oysters live. For example, diatoms can produce a toxin called domoic acid that is harmful to humans. The more diatoms delivered to the seafloor by marine snow, the more potential for filter feeders to be exposed to domoic acid. Researchers in North Carolina, South Carolina, and California simulated natural conditions to determine if the transport of diatoms is poisoning the animals in the deep sea. Researchers were able to mimic conditions of a toxic event. From their experiments, they learned that the buildup of domoic acid is related to organisms using the marine snow as an energy source. The findings of this research reminds us to maintain caution about the potential harms of consuming seafood. The diatoms transported on marine snow are not all bad. In Marine Snow and Muddy Megacoring on the Southern Ocean, a guest post from Envirobites, we learn that diatom-containing marine snow in the Southern Ocean can be used as a proxy for atmospheric CO2. Although marine snow is naturally occurring, we learn that its formation can be enhanced by oil spills in adding oil to the marine snow mix. After the Deepwater Horizon spill in 2010, investigators noted the appearance of marine snow was not typical for the area. It was stringy. Eventually, the stringy snow sank to the bottom and disappeared. By simulating marine snow formation in the presence of oil of various grades, the researchers learned that the stringy marine snow was unique and tended to remain at the surface for durations of time longer than typical marine snow particle. Researchers attributed the buoyant behavior of the stringy snow to the mucus that forms when microbes break down oil released during the oil spill. The information yielded from this research is a good reminder that anthropogenic impacts can be diverse and long-lasting. In the final article about marine snow, Let It Sludge, we learn that particles similar to marine snow are intentionally created during wastewater treatment processes. Oxygen is pumped through pre-treated water to promote the growth of microorganisms. Like marine snow, the microorganisms aggregate to form bioflocks. The bioflocks sink to the bottom of the treatment tanks, leaving behind cleaner water. Marine snow, although potentially harmful to seafood consumption, is important for delivering nutrients to the deep water and sequestering CO2 from the atmosphere. Furthermore, the mechanics of its formation is used to improve wastewater treatment. Check out these and other ocean science posts at oceanbites.org. Thanks for listening.